Jenny Merritt, Business Development Director. So in the highways sector, it'll probably be 7 months. So I only started with Blinc in end of July, beginning of August last year. And this is my first role. Definitely be given this opportunity with Blinc Light. No, I think I've been really lucky in the career that I've had. So even with my previous employment, I was there for 14 years. You know, the business invested a lot into us, a lot of training, a lot of development. I think, yeah, I don't think I've actually had a low yet. I think maybe focus a bit more on kind of training and development of myself. Over the years, I think, you know, I've done a lot within my career, but to actually have the, you know, the right certifications or certificates to go towards that. So I've got the experience, but not the certifications. I think for me, it is definitely like the political structure within corporate. I think there's so many hoops you've got to jump through for any decisions to be made. I think the best bit of advice was go with what you believe in. Like, if you believe that you can do it, go for it. People. I love people. I love being around people. And I think when you have that opportunity to be in a team environment or with customers and seeing other people achieve what they want to achieve, I think that really pushes me forward. I would say one of my ex-managers, she was very driven, and she pushed me a lot to go out of my comfort zone quite a bit. And perhaps the opportunity with Blinc has pushed us out of my comfort zone a little bit as well. But I can see it as just being a huge development for me as well. I think the people that I've been working with have really been supportive. So they've really brought us in and they've shared information, they've put us in contact with the right people. Everyone's just been so open and friendly, which has been great. It's hard, really hard. I think when you've got 2 children at home and school and travelling, it is difficult to manage, but it works and it works well. I think the boys get to have boys' nights when I'm away, so they enjoy it. Google. Not internet, but Google is in the platform for email, Drive, chat. I think it's the best thing ever. To make it easier to bring in new innovations.